Welcome to Asana, your project management hub.
Asana is a popular tool designed to help teams organize, track, and manage their work. Whether you're planning a big project or just your daily tasks, Asana's user-friendly interface makes it easy to get started. In this tutorial, we'll walk through setting up your very first project, customizing it to fit your needs, and managing tasks effectively.
Creating your first project.
To start, log into your Asana account. On the home screen, locate the sidebar and click Create Project. Choose a template or start with a blank project. Give your project a clear name and, if needed, add a brief description. Deciding between a list or board layout depends on your preferred way of organizing tasks. Both options work seamlessly.
Adding and organizing tasks.
Inside your new project, click Add Task to begin listing out everything that needs to get done. You can add details like task descriptions, due dates, assignees, and even attach files. For better structure, use sections to group similar tasks together. This keeps your project neat and helps everyone understand the workflow.
Customizing your project.
Make your project work for you by customizing it. Color code the project for easy identification and use custom fields to track information like priority or status. You can also adjust permissions to control who can edit or view the project. Explore features like task dependencies to clearly show which tasks need to be finished before others can start.
Staying on top of your work.
Track progress through the project overview, which offers quick insights into completed and upcoming tasks. Assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and use Asana's notification system to stay informed about updates. Regularly reviewing and updating your project ensures everyone knows what's next and helps keep work on track.
Ready to start your first project in Asana?
Setting up your first project in Asana is straightforward, from creation to customization and daily management. By following these basic steps, you'll develop a personalized system that keeps your team organized and productive. Explore Asana's additional features as you grow more comfortable and enjoy a more efficient way to work together.